subscribers, welcome or welcome back to another vlog. So before we start with our video today, I would like to tell you about Skyepify first. So we launched on September 8, 2020 and we named it Skyepify because although material things are not the most important things in life, but they can be fun to have at times, I want to be able to share the things that I appreciate and enjoy the most. At the same time, I want them to be easily available to anyone who wants to try my favorite, hence the birth of Skyepify. Skyepify will carry all of my must-haves eventually. Well, yeah, it is a reflection of myself and my alter ego. So for our video for today, we are going to be unboxing and reviewing our first product, which is the Skyepify wand. Ta-da! And by the way, that's why I have no makeup on, because I will be showing you guys how I use it on my face. I only have lipstick and eyebrows on. So yeah, that's it. Anyway, when you open the box, the first thing that you'll see is the user manual. So everything is listed here, like what's the operating instructions, the introduction, the LED light treatment options, safety instructions, and the warning guide, or the things that you need to follow before using the Skyepify wand. Next is the foam, so that you know our product is really secured. So this is what it looks like inside. So lahat talaga naka-plastic. So first we have here the charger. Ayan. Then we have the charger stand. Then last but not the least is yung pinaka mismong Skyepify wand. It also has a plastic, so kailangan nyo siyang tanggalin. Satisfying, right? There's two buttons. First one is the power, then the second one is LED. Then, pwede nyo ma-change yung intensity. This is level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is yung pinakamalakas. So, if low yung tolerance mo, siguro mga nasa level 1 or level 2 ka lang. Kasi, meron akong customer na sabi niya, yung mom niya has a low tolerance of pain. So, yung ginagamit ng mom niya is up to level 2 lang. Kasi, medyo nasasaktan. Medyo parang masakit na daw if like higher pa. Then sa bottom part naman, we have here our logo. Then here on this part naman, ito yung parang like saksakan ng charging stand. So it would look like this. Pag china-charge nyo siya, you just have to connect the wire here. Tapos, ayan, mag-charge na siya. You can charge it for only 2 hours and yung standby time niya is approximately 60 days. So if you guys don't know what the Skyepify wand is, it is a non-surgical procedure which uses radio frequency for the body, face, skin tightening like for the neck, yung double chin, the arms, abdomen, belly, thighs, love handles, and body rolls on the back. With our special technology called electroporation, you can achieve a high level of effectiveness without any pain. You can use our Skyepify wand with a soothing gel, a moisturizer, serum, or even lotion. You can use it with that. So I'll just go with the soothing gel today. I'll be using a soothing gel. This is aloe vera and snail. By the way, I'm gonna tie up my hair siguro so that it will, get out of the way. Okay. We have to also include this part para sa ating mga double chin. So I will be using the red, which is the skin tightening, and para medyo mag-lift yung dito na side sa face ko. And since I'm used to this na, I will be using the highest intensity, which is 5. Our wand helps the skin to tighten, maintains elasticity, prevents allergies and other skin problems. So, when using it, dapat talaga guys, pataas lang siya. And also, don't be too harsh, like, ididiin nyo talaga yung wand sa face nyo. Just be gentle lang. So, meron kayong mafe-feel na parang merong tumutusok sa face nyo. And also, you can hear a little bit of sound. Like, parang pero only you can hear. Other people can't hear it. Only you can hear the sound since ikaw lang naman yung gumagamit. Pero if ginagamit mo siya sa ibang tao, then sila yung makakarinig ng boses or nung sound ng Skyepify wand. Mas maganda pag mas maraming gel yung ilalagay nyo. Gel, serum, or moisturizer. Also pala, it automatically turns off by itself after 10 minutes. So, yun, 10 minutes for this side, then 10 minutes dito. Or, you can do like 5 minutes here, then 5 minutes din sa kabila. Oh, I forgot to mention it earlier, but you should start with a clean face. Like, wash your face or something. Eh, kanina kakaligo ko lang, then I washed my face already. I just put some lipstick on and brows on. So, yun. Kaya, di na ako nag-wash. Ayan. So, upwards lang. Then, you can also include your double chin. Ay, alam nyo guys, pag walang soothing gel, yung part sa face nyo, tapos natamaan, masakit siya! Like, be generous with the amount of soothing gel or serum or moisturizer that you put in your face before using this. Kasi, masakit siya pag walang, walang nag-glide. So, if you guys feel like, medyo nagda-dry na siya, you have to put soothing gel again. Para mag-glide siya ulit. And, hindi kayo mahihirapan, di ba? I find this very convenient, especially now na merong pandemic. And also, if you guys didn't know, I'm in my province, so walang masyadong skin clinics na pwede kong mapuntahan. Tapos, hindi na ako kailangan gumastos para lang magpaganito, since it's kind of doing the same thing. Oh, medyo mainit na siya, girl. Ayan. Ayan, tapos na ang aking 10 minutes. So, this is the finished look. So, after using it, please don't forget to clean your Skyepify one para di siya magka-germs. Kasi I tried before, I was using this, then hindi ko siya nilinis. So, what happened was, nagka-rust yung parang metal head niya dito, yung parang silver-ish. Then, thank God, natanggal naman yung brown niya sa metal. This is the finished product. Okay, so this has 6 LED light operation, and red is for tightening the skin. Green is used to treat dark spots. Blue is for the acne and oily skin. Yellow is for brightening the skin or the face. Pink is used to whiten the skin. So the last but not the least is the flashing pink. This is used to aid in the permeation of skincare products into your skin. So what I mean by that is, like, for example, naglagay ako ng skincare ko, which is the serum or moisturizer. And gusto ko kasi siyang mas mag-absorb sa skin ko. So that's why I will use the flashing pink. And also, everything that you need to know is in our user manual na. So yeah, if you guys have any other questions, just feel free to drop them down in the comment section below. So this one is 3,500 pesos with a free serum na. This is a 15 ml facial serum. If you guys want to order, please DM at Skyepify on Instagram. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me. Follow me on all of my social media accounts. Everything is at Skye. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to reach your dreams because the sky is the limit. Bye!
It could be weird, but I think I'm into it. You know I'm one for the overly passionate. I like you and I loved him. We could all be the best kind of friends.